Students, today's lecture is based on exercise 8.4, and in previous video lecture we have discussed also from question number 1 to 4. So today we will start with question number 5, and there is given that prove the following identities. So first part of this question is cos A theta minus cot theta whole square, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. You can solve the question by taking right hand side and also by the taking left hand side. There is no problem. So I will choose left hand side, that is cosec theta minus cot theta, that is taking whole square. Now we can write it as 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole upon sin theta and take whole square. So we can write it as 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta, because there was a whole square, so take here square. Now if 1 minus cos theta whole square is written, then we can write it as 1 minus cos theta in next bracket 1 minus cos theta also, because there is a square, and in place of sin square theta we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. And now 1 minus cos theta in first bracket, and in also next bracket is 1 minus cos theta, and whole divided by 1 minus cos square theta. It can be written as 1 minus cos theta in first bracket, and in next bracket 1 plus cos theta. And here we can see that 1 minus cos theta is also in numerator and denominator, then it will be cancelled. Then we can write it as 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. That is the right hand side of this question. So this is the proof for the part first, question number 5. And next we are going to solve the second part of this question, that is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Question number second is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A, that is equal to 2 sec A, which we have to prove. Now take left hand side, that is equal to cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. That is the left hand side of this question. Now by the cross multiplication we can write it as cos square A plus 1 plus sin A will be multiplied by 1 plus sin A. So we can write here 1 plus sin A whole square divided by cos A in bracket 1 plus sin A. Now this will be continued as cos square A is here. So write cos square A plus, we can break this. So 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A whole divided by, here you written that cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now here cos square A and sin square A. that is equal to 1, and then we can write here in place of this one write 1 plus cos square a plus sin square a equals to 1, and plus also here is 2 sin a whole upon cos a in bracket 1 plus sin a. Now 1 plus 1 that is 2 plus 2 sin a whole upon cos a in bracket 1 plus sin a. Okay, so if we take common as 2, then we can write it as 1 plus sin a whole divided by cos a in next bracket 1 plus sin a, and this will be cancelled by this, so we can write it as 2 upon cos a that is equal to 2 sec a. Okay, that is the proof of this question. So now we will go for the question number 3rd, which is the part of question number 5. Now if we are going to prove next question, that is part number 3rd of question 5. Here it is written that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta whole upon 1 minus tan theta. It should be proven as 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now we are choosing left hand side, which is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Break it into sin and cos term. So here we can write sin theta upon cos theta whole upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, because in place of tan theta we can write sin theta upon cos theta, and in place of cot theta we can write cos theta upon sin theta. Take plus here cot theta, and it will be as cos theta upon sin theta whole upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so sin theta upon cos theta into, otherwise we can write it as, first we will simplify this, so we can write sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta whole upon sin theta, plus here we can write it as cos theta upon sin theta and whole upon cos theta minus sin theta whole upon cos theta. In next term we can write it as sin theta upon cos theta upon cos theta into, this will be numerator and this will become denominator. So here will be sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, and take plus sign, so write here plus, and in next cos theta upon sin theta into, cos theta will be numerator and in denominator cos theta minus sin theta. Right here cos theta minus sin theta. So here we can write in next step sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta upon cos theta, and here is the sin theta minus cos theta. So write here sin theta minus cos theta. If we can take a common, like here negative sign, then this sign will be positive and cos will become negative. So take here negative, and cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta whole upon sin theta into here will be sin theta and minus cos theta. Okay, so we can see here sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So we can take it common, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, and in bracket sin square theta upon cos theta, and here minus cos square theta upon sin theta. Okay, so this will be copied as it is, but here take a cross multiplication. So sin theta, here sin square theta, so it will be sin cube theta minus also cos theta into cos square theta, so here will be cos cube theta whole upon cos theta into sin theta. Okay, like this. So just I will erase it for the next step. Now here will be, you can see sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, and in bracket it can be written as sin theta minus cos theta in first bracket, and in next bracket we can write it as sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta, and plus there will be cos square theta, and whole upon cos theta into sin theta. Here it can be cancelled, and sin square theta nearly cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So we can write here 1 plus sin theta into cos theta whole upon here is cos theta into sin theta. Now 1 upon cos theta into sin theta, and here is the plus, so take plus sin theta into cos theta, and it is also divided by cos theta into sin theta, then it will be cancelled. Now we can write it as cos theta in numerator, it will become sec theta, and sin theta it will become cosec theta. So into cosec theta, and here will be plus 1 because it will be cancelled. So the right hand side which is given in the question, that is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, that is proved. So we can see here by taking the left hand side we can prove right hand side, which is the 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. And for the next question we will meet in next video lecture. Thank you.